Hello guys, it's your boy Rex here, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step method that you can use to make your first Clickbank sale as soon as today. So with using free traffic, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, everything step by step. So let's get right into the method. So with this method, the first thing you have to do, as always, is to go to Clickbank Marketplace. Go to Clickbank Marketplace and choose a product that you are going to promote. So for this method, just go to Clickbank and just search by gravity. Search by gravity, you are going to see the top converting products on Clickbank that many people are making sales with it and it's converting. So you're going to choose the products that are converting to promote. So with this method, I already have a product in mind. I'm going to promote the manifestation magic because it converts well for me, and I'm using multiple methods to promote it, and I'm getting good results with it. So for this method, I'm going to use the manifestation magic. You can use any product with this method. So that's the first thing. So the second thing, you're going to go to a website called Linktree. This website linktr.ee. So I'm going to put the link in the link below this video, so you can go to this website. So you're going to go to this website and click on sign up. You're going to sign up at this website. So you put your email and put your email. You can put any name under this. Just put just put success forever. Don't name mistaken. Okay guys, could just put a name like success forever. Then you can create a password. And click on register, and it's going to register a free account. So you can put your name here. Click on agree to terms and conditions and click save details. So the next step, with this method, you need the free account. You don't need to pay the $6 per month account. Just click on the continue with free account. And what this does is that it's going to enable you to put your affiliate link to your affiliate link. It's like a bridge page that you can use to link your affiliate. You can put your affiliate link on Facebook, Instagram without getting banned. So the next step you have to do, you have to go to your email address and verify your account. So I'll just go to my email, click on verify. Yes, now your account is verified. So what you have to do is just click on continue and click on add button. So what this enables you to do is that you can put your affiliate link here. You can use this method to put your affiliate link on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter without your link getting banned or removed. So now the next step for you to do is go to Clickbank and take your affiliate link. Like here, I'm going to go to manifestation magic. I'm going to put my nickname. Click on generate hub link, copy the link, and go back to Linktree and add your affiliate link inside here. Then you have to give it a title. Okay, so guys, you're going to put a title. You're going to put a title. Once you click on here, click here to put a title for this link that you're going to put, for this link that you're creating. So you're going to write something like success manifestation. Once you do that, you just click then this link turns to green. Then it's going to give you a link that you can put on Facebook and Instagram here. So you can click on this copy link. So if I go to a new tab and click on and paste this link, you're going to see like here is your affiliate link. It's going to show affiliate link. This page has your affiliate link inside. You can put this link on Facebook, and it redirects people to your affiliate link, to a simple button that they can click and go to your affiliate offer. So without done, the next step, you are going to go to Instagram. You're going to Instagram page. For example, you're going to go to, these are Instagram pages that are already found, that you can go to these same Instagram pages and look for posts, high engagement posts. For example, this posts that have something like type yes if you believe, that a lot of people are going to engage with it. So you are going to go to these pages. You can go to this page. These are another page that I already found, that you can go to 15-minute manifestation. It has the same kind of posts. For example, if you look, it has simple calls to action that type yes if you believe. So it makes a lot of people to engage with your posts when you use this. So the next step is for you to download these images. For me, I just click on the URL, just copy the URL of the page and go to a website called gramsave.com. You paste the link inside and click on download. The images are going to load on your computer, and you can download it and use it with this method. So you can just click on download. It's going, and click on save. It's going to save, and that's it, guys. So the next method for you to get traffic, to make sales with this method, is we're going to be using Facebook groups. So I'm going to show you how this method works. So all you're going to do is go to Facebook and click on and search for groups like the law of attraction. If you are in the weight loss niche, you're going to search for fitness groups, like fitness groups that you can join. So that's the first step. The second thing you have to do is, like, for example, these are different groups. You're going to search for groups that have a lot of members. That's 1,000 members, 123,000 members. So you can get a lot of people that are going to click on your affiliate links with this method. So with this method, you're going to, for example, this is one group. You're going to go and click on join. I'm already joined this group. You're going to click on join, and you're going to be able to post these images that you downloaded on these pages. So let me show you how it's done. So for example, this is one of the pages that I posted on. This is one of my posts that I posted with this method for free, and I have up to 202 engagements, 156 comments. So there's a lot of engagement on this post. And here, guys, this is my affiliate link. So if you click on this link, it's going to take you to my Linktree link, and if you click here, that's my affiliate link. It's going to go to my affiliate offer, and I'm getting a lot of traffic with this method. So what you're going to do is, like, you're going to go, once you join these groups, you're going to go inside the group and post something. Okay, let me try to post here. Okay, guys, so what you're going to do is that you're going to go and post that image that you downloaded from Instagram. You're going to click on, you're going to post that image on this Facebook groups that has a lot of members. And you're just going to type something with that, something like type yes if you agree. You're just going to click post. The reason we are doing this method is we are not going to use our link when you are going to post, when we are posting on these groups, because when you use your link and you are posting on this group, as you can see, as your posts have been submitted, and it's pending approval by admin. If you put your post with your affiliate link with it, there are high chances that the moderator or the owner of this group is not going to approve your post. So all you have to do is that you are going to post without any link. You're going to write simple text and post it without any link and leave it for the admin to approve your post. Once the admin approve your post, like this method, like this is one of my posts. Once your post is approved, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to wait. Once you are getting like 10 likes, 11 comments, 10 likes, 10 comments, you are getting likes and comments on your post, and your post is approved, you are going to go to the post that you posted. For example, this is one of my posts, and you're just going to click on edit post. Click on edit post. Then you're going to add this call to action that visit this link to learn more how to manifest your dream lifestyle, and you're going to click save. And that is it. You're going to get a lot of traffic with this method. So the main strategy is to post on these different groups without any link at first. Once your post is approved, then you can add your link. You can go and edit the same post and add your link to get traffic to your affiliate links. And you guys can see this is one of the groups, and I'm getting a lot of engagement, a lot of comments, and a lot of people are clicking on these links. So this is the same post on another Facebook group. So you can see that I'm having a lot of engagement, 102 likes, 88 comments, and here's it, guys. My link is at the top of the post. So a lot of people that are visiting these pages are clicking on these links, and I'm getting some sales using this method. So take action on this method. This method works, and if you use this and if you post in multiple groups, you're going to get a lot of sales using this method. So the main thing is that you have to join a lot of Facebook groups that are in your niche. For example, you are using like the weight loss, like the law of attraction niche. You're going to join a lot of attraction pages that have a lot of members inside the group. For example, you can see this group alone has 69,000 members, so you can get a lot of traffic. So like this is one group. It has a lot of members. You have up to 123,000 members, so you can get a lot of traffic from this. So if you are posting like in 4 groups per day, different posts, and a lot of people are engaging on your posts and clicking on your links, you can make a lot of sales using this method. So that is, guys, you have to take action on this method. If you take action on this method, you're going to make a lot of sales. So if you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos from me. Also, guys, if you want to learn how to make sales on Clickbank, check the link in the description to my most recommended method to get started and making sales with Clickbank. So that's it, guys. See you guys in the next video.